Hey everyone, Ashley McCaffrey here with Phoenix 411. Today I am joined with the team lead of Epic Phoenix Real Estate Group, Jonas Funston.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks for joining us.
Absolutely.
Where are we? Tell us a little bit about what we're doing.
What we're doing today is we are checking out new construction communities that are vacation rental friendly.
Awesome.
So a ton of our clients, as you know, want to buy vacation rental, Airbnb, VRBO, that sort of thing. Biggest problem we run into is the communities where the HOAs have rental restrictions.
Yes.
Most common is 30-day minimum. In some extreme cases, we see 90 days to up to 6 months.
Yeah.
So we're going to be featuring several properties across the valley, both on the east side and the west side, where they are completely vacation rental friendly. They actually amended the CC&Rs, the HOA documents, to permit minimum one night if you want. And most of these locations are going to be in a really prime spot. Right now we're actually in South Chandler, very close to the Intel facility. So fantastic location.
Yes.
We're maybe 12-minute drive from ASU, 15 minutes from Sky Harbor. We got Ahwatukee less than a mile away. We got freeway access the other direction less than a mile away. So super prime location. But the big one here is for somebody either looking for a second home or looking for a straight investment property where they're not going to have any rental restrictions and be able to kind of capitalize not only on the vacation rental clients but also on the corporate rental clients.
It's fantastic. It's great that these are available, and we're really looking forward to showing you some of your options.
Yeah.
So thanks for taking us around.
Yeah, super excited. So we're going to go through. They actually have a total of 5 floor plans here at this community.
Great.
Ranging from 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, all the way up to 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath.
Awesome.
All of them come with 2-car garages. We've got some great community amenities, and some of these are pretty unique. They have 10 of these that actually have live-work concept, meaning they actually have commercial space downstairs. As you can see, we've got a couple salons. We've got an insurance agency here. There's going to be a real estate office over here. So very unique. You could actually either occupy or rent out to a commercial tenant downstairs.
Yeah.
Upstairs, you got your vacation rental corporate tenant. So it's kind of a 2-for-1 investment property, which is super
You don't
cool.
hear that very often. And for an investor, when you're looking to really diversify, it's a really great way to get that done.
Really awesome, yeah. And they're actually currently working to getting FHA and VA approved. So
oh my gosh.
For somebody looking who maybe isn't a true investor but looking for 3.5% down opportunity for a new construction in one of the best locations in Southeast Valley, this is prime.
When we talk about location, I really don't know if it gets better than where we're standing right now. Like Jonas said, proximity to ASU and the airport and A+ schools and parks, and it's beautiful and it's safe, and it's an awesome opportunity.
Let's go take a tour of the models, shall we?
Sounds good. Where are we standing? It's amazing space.
This is great, right? I mean,
oh my gosh.
Tons of lighting, got windows wrapping around. So we are actually in the live-work model.
Okay.
This is the commercial space, so it actually extends through here, which we'll see in a moment. But as you can see, you just have this wraparound, walls of glass, essentially. You have plenty of parking here.
Yes.
For, if you're running a commercial, commercial space office operation here. They've got this large open space, with a lot of flexibility. Obviously they have the desk, but you can do a conference room in here, you can do a seating area. They do have a half bath. We've got, extremely high ceilings, so it's just very open and airy. They're actually doing some modifications to the floor plan for the new builds moving forward. So this wall, about half of this wall is going to be removed. And this is actually going to kind of run straight through into this space.
Great.
So it's almost like an L-shaped setup.
Yeah.
You've got if you want to put a printer or use this for storage, this opens up. You have a secondary office space back here. Back through there, there's actually a full laundry space. Some of the owners actually have moved the laundry underneath the staircase too, so you can kind of really have that flex space. And then there's a 2-car garage attached, so you kind of have direct entry to the.
This is a really, really deep space, and something that I've noticed right away are just some of the attentions to detail, like the case doors, the very tall ceilings.
Exactly.
It feels open and bright, and you would never really know that you're standing in a condo, or you know, like the feeling is just. It's very single-family home-esque in a lot of ways. So
the best
beautiful
part about,
space.
the best part about this floor plan is this has the ability to be partitioned off. So the residence actually begins over here for the residential component. So this can be completely framed off to have complete separate entrance, or we can do a door here with, you know, private access. And then there is an option to add a secondary door here. So your vacation rental guest or your long-term tenant, they won't be coming through the office space at all. They have direct access to the unit.
It's really 2 separate spaces. And by making those modifications, it really allows you to have 2 spaces that never need to meet if you don't want them to. It's really, it's genius.
Let's go upstairs. It's pretty stunning.
Yeah, please.
I mean, this space is amazing, but this is basically where the ladies love. So why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
I tell Jonas all the time when we get to tour these beautiful homes that some of them just really knock it out of the park. And this is one of those places where the space is so thoughtfully designed with not only the use of space, but the finishes. So as you can see, we have a very, very large kitchen space, beautiful appliances, incredible counter space, upgraded cabinetry, a beautiful detailed backsplash. There is nothing in this space that has been missed. Like, I'm really blown away by how beautiful this is.
Here.
No, there's nothing I would change. Like, sometimes we come in and design-wise, like, oh, that could be different, but in this place, they really did not skimp anywhere, or nothing is an afterthought. It's really done very, very well. So you've got this beautiful kitchen, open space that backs up to the living area, which is a really, really nice open feel to the rest of the space. And then beyond the living space, there's a little nook. And I know, are there some changes that can be made to this?
Yeah, so they're actually doing some modifications here. So you can see this is kind of a great room concept with your dining, living room, and they kind of did this little niche here. So moving forward with the build out they're doing, this pony wall and this structural post is actually coming out completely. It's opening up this space. And then the soffit up on the ceiling where the AC is going to be completely flush. So it's going to open up the ceiling height and just make this huge.
With that pony wall though too, we had discussed this earlier, if this isn't your taste, then that's okay and it will be changed, but this is such a beautiful space for a small office, and you have your window. So if you needed to close this off in some way with even just like a room divider or whatever to give yourself that privacy, it would still be bright and airy, and it's so multifunctional, multi-use. It's awesome.
So we've got a full bedroom, bathroom down here, and then the master, which is ridiculously large, is upstairs. Take a look at that beauty.
Yeah, it's beautiful space.
So floor to ceiling tile. They did the kind of brick lay. We've got beautiful quartz counters, raised elevated countertop, all black hardware finishes. That is an option. You can go with stainless. And there's just, every room has plenty of lights. They even did a little pocket light for the shower space here.
The natural lighting here really is impressive.
Yeah, it's great.
And nice decent sized bedroom. Beautiful window. Again, tall ceilings, tons of light, neutral palette.
Yeah, this is huge.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
big closet.
Plenty of space in here.
Yes.
It's not as gargantuous as the master, but this is for, like I said, vacation rental or long term. This is all you need. This is perfect.
Absolutely. Yeah. It's absolutely. I mean, as you can see, there's a nightstand. You could absolutely put another one on the other side. Yeah. A decent sized dresser, a large closet. It's more than adequate. Absolutely.
Should we go upstairs, check out that beast?
I'm so excited.
Right,
let's do it. All right, let's see what's upstairs. So we're standing in the master bedroom, and it's actually the entire second floor is a really, really large and impressive
giant.
Yes. I mean, it's just a huge master suite. It goes
Yeah.
all the way back.
Yep.
So what else can you tell us about this space?
Super high ceilings.
Yes.
Again, ton of windows. I'm just eyeballing it, but if I could guesstimate, I would say probably about 13 by 15, 13 by 16 as far as the size of just the master. You have this huge kind of front foyer, double door entry. It has this beautiful bathroom and
Yes.
just massive L-shaped closet, and then on the other side we've got this really cool walkout L-shaped balcony that kind of overlooks the bottom.
Yes.
So really cool floor plan.
The floor plan is fantastic, and another thing that I want to point out is sometimes in townhomes or condos or more of that multi-dwelling sort of scenario,
Right.
you're really missing out on storage, and it's something
100%.
we've seen time and time again.
Yeah.
This is not that case.
Yep.
Everywhere we look, there's large closets, there's built-in shelves, there's a huge garage. So
Right.
regardless of what your storage needs are, something like this, not skimping out on
Absolutely.
it. So it's
this
it's
is
awesome.
exciting. So
It's great.
The thing that we want to touch on too is if somebody's not looking in Chandler, if Southeast Valley is not where they want to be, we have this style property with the vacation rental option across the valley. We've got a community here, obviously in Chandler. We've got Surprise. We have Peoria. We have one that just opened up in East Mesa. We have one in Apache Junction, and coming next year, we're going to have one in downtown Gilbert. So,
Awesome.
for those of you looking to lock down a amazing investment opportunity with a lot of flexibility on what you can do with the home, the property, this checks all the boxes.
It really does,
Yeah.
and the fact that it's valley-wide really gives you a lot of flexibility on where you want your investment to be,
Yep.
probably price point,
Yep.
and a lot of other functionalities and
Yeah.
features. So
Yeah.
it's great. If Chandler isn't your thing, that's cool. We can help
Yeah.
you wherever you decide to have your investment be.
Yep.
So a lot of opportunity.
So if this property or some of the other communities we're going to look at later today are of interest, we're going to put our contact
Yeah.
information below. Reach out to us. We can, like I said, either get you out here to the properties. For those of you that are out of state, a lot of our out of state and even out of country clients, we do a lot of video walkthrough videos. We'll do all the comps online. We can do literally everything virtually. That way, if you can't come out here or if it's just an investment and don't need to necessarily, we can do all the heavy lifting for you.
Yeah, absolutely. And as the team's lead client concierge, if you have questions about what might be a better opportunity for you in your scenario,
Right.
or where is Surprise in relation to Gilbert, I will help you with all of that and help you kind of understand the lay of the land, understand maybe the differences between the East Valley and the West Valley, and really help you determine what's going to be best for you. So reach out to us. We're more
Absolutely.
than happy to help with any of the questions you have about how and where to maybe invest your money. So we're happy to
Absolutely.
help.
Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.